Welcome students, standard 9th Sanskrit Samasaha we will discuss. See, in English also compounds are there. Maybe you are knowing when examples I'll tell you, you will understand. Two nouns are together sometimes, means for example milkmaid, manservant, girl child, dewdrop. Two nouns are together, so compound nouns we see. Then compound adjectives are also there: strong minded, short tempered, narrow minded. Understood? Even sometimes noun and uh, verb are together, joining is there. For example, sorrow stricken, crestfallen. So many examples are there. In English also compounds are there. In Sanskrit it is called as समासः. संक्षेपः नाम समासः. Understood? No? Sankshep means what? Actually it is short form. शब्दाः सम्यक् अस्यन्ते यत्र सः समासः. Means where words are placed properly, words are assembled properly, there we see समासः. समासः भाषायाः महत्वपूर्णं वैशिष्ट्यम्. And samasa means compounds or compound is the salient feature or special feature of language. Language becomes effective when compound or compounds are or समासः is used. समासः अर्थम् अनुसरन्ति. Compounds follow the meaning. Meaning is very, very important in case of compounds or समासः. संधि समासयोः कृते पदद्वयम् आवश्यकम्. In संधि word or in समस्त पद, at least two words are needed. If only one word is there, then samas or compound or sandhi is not possible. At least two words are there. Vigraha Vakya is there in both the topics, but there is a difference. Sandhi is different, samasaha is different. That difference we should know. See here, sandhi uchcharanam pradhanam means in case of sandhi, pronunciation is very, very important. And in case of samasaha, arthaha pradhanam, meaning is very, very important or dominant. Second, see vibhakti pratyayanam lopaha bhavati. Vibhakti pratyaya means you understood, no? Prathama to saptami, various endings are there. For example, Surya, this word is there. It declines like Deva, Devasya, Suryasya. So with the help of this ending, you can understand which vibhakti and which vachanam. Shashti, ekvachanam is the understood. So this is the ending or pratyay of Shashti vibhakti. In case of sandhi, see vibhakti pratyayanam lopaha na bhavati. These vibhakti endings are seen in sandhi word. They are not dropped. Suryasya, see, plus udayaha. In this dissolution, see, this is Shashti vibhakti ending. And it is seen in sandhi word. Suryasyodayaha. Understood? Huh? But in case of samasaha, vibhakti pratyayanam lopaha bhavati. But in case of compound words in samastapad, this vibhakti pratyay, see this vibhakti pratyay, shashti ekvachanam, it is not seen in samasaha. Understood? It is dropped. So only samastapad is suryodayaha. Understood? This is vigraha vakya, dissolution. Suryasya udayah. This is a sandhi, Surya plus udayah. Understood, no? But the samastapad or compound is Suryodayah. Understood? Suryasyodayah, no. Suryasyodayah, then sandhi it is. And Suryodayah means samas. Sandhau samasaha na shakyah. In case of sandhi, compound is not seen. Understood? But samase sandhi shakyah. But in compound, sandhi is seen. Or those characteristics we can see. Characteristics of sandhi we can see in compound. But characteristics of samas we don't see in the sandhi. Understood? Plus sign is there in sandhi. Understood, no? This is vigraha only, but plus sign is there. Vibhakti endings are seen. Here, see, this is vigraha vakya. Plus sign is not there. Understood, no? In the vigraha vakya. And sometimes other words are also added. For example, Chandra Surya is there, then Chandraha cha Suryaha cha. Understood, no? Like this vigraha vakya we get. So other words are also added according to the need. So these are the salient features of sandhi and samasaha. And now see samasik shabde padadvayam. In sandhi also at least 2 words are needed. In samas also 2 words are needed. So which word is first word? Which word is second word? Understood, no? That also we should understand. In case of Suryodaya, see, Surya and Uday, these 2 words are there. So Surya is Purvapad and Udaya is Uttarpad. First and second, understood? In case of Neelakantha also, see, Neela and Kantha, these 2 words are there. So Neela is Purvapadam. Understood? First word. And Kantha is Uttarapadam. Understood? First word and second word. And now see here. This table will discuss padasya pradhanatvam kriyapadena siddhyati. Padasya pradhanatvam means importance of the word who indicates kriyapadam. Understood? And pradhanatvena samasanam chatvaraha prakaraha. And according to importance, there are 4 types of compounds. Samasaha, yatha. See, these are 4 main types of compounds. Samasaha, avyai bhavaha, tatpurushaha, dvandvaha, and bahuvrihihi. Here examples are given. Avyai bhavaha. For example, this example is there. Pratidinam. Okay. So in case of avyai bhavaha, so at least 2 words are there. So which word is important word? Suppose first word is important word, then it is called Purvapada Pradhanaha. In case of Pratidinam, 2 words are there, Prati and Dinam. So Prati is Purvapad, Dinam is Uttarpad. Understood, no? So Purvapad is important, Prati is important because this can be changed. Here Pratidinam is there. I may write Pratidvaram, Prativarsham, Pratigruham. Understood? So Purvapad is important, Prati is important. See, here tick mark is there and here cross is there. Understood? Pratidinam, avyai bhavaha, Purvapad pradhanaha, samasaha, and vigraha vakya dine. Now see Tatpurushaha. In case of Tatpurush, From Prathama to Saptami, these subtypes are there. Even Upapad Tatpurushaha, this subtype is also there. Here, Dasharatha Putraha, this Udaharanam is given, and Dasharatha and Putraha, these two words are there. Understood? Dasharath is Purvapadam, Putraha Uttarapadam. In case of Tatpurushaha, Uttarapada Pradhanaha Samasaha, it is. So second pad is important. Purvapad is not important. So cross is given here. Vigraha Vakya of this Samasta pad is Dasharathasya Putraha. Understood? What is important? Putraha is important. I may write here Rama Putraha. Understood? No? Means son of Ram. Kaushalya Putraha, son of Kaushalya. Understood? No? So this can be changed. So Uttarpad is very, very important. And Vigraha Vakya of this is Dasharathasya Putraha. So Sya ending is added. Sya ending is ending of which Vibhakti? Shashti Vibhakti. So it is, name of this subtype is, it is Tatpurushaha only, but name of the subtype is Shashti Tatpurushaha. Like this, Prathama Tatpurush is, it is called Karmadharayaha. Special subtype it is because both the words in Prathama only. For example, Rakta Pushpam, Raktam Pushpam. Both the words are in Prathama. Vanam Vade Vanani, Raktam Rakte Raktani, Pushpam Pushpe Pushpani. Understood, no? But in case of other subtypes, both the words are not in same case, Vibhakti. Understood, no? So, Prathama Tatpurush is special subtype. And it has specific name also. It is called Karmadharayaha. Then see Dvandvaha. In case of Dvandvaha also two subtypes are the Itaretaraha Dvandvaha and Samaharaha Dvandvaha. Here see Ram Lakshmana. Two words understood. Ram and Lakshman. So Rama is Purvapadam, Lakshman is Uttarapadam. Okay. And here Ubhaya Pada Pradhanaha Samasaha it is. Means both the words are important. Purvapadam and Uttarapadam. See here. At both the places tick mark is there because Ram is also important, Lakshman is also important, and Vigraha Vakya is Ramaha cha Lakshmanaha cha. Understood? Both the words decline like Deva, Ramaha Ramo, Lakshmanaha Lakshmana. Two are there, no? So Lakshmana is there. In case of this, you can write Lakshmana Rama also. That is also correct. This is Itaretaraha Dvandvaha. And Samaharaha Dvandvaha, for example, born enemies are there, or limbs of the body. Born enemies means Govagram. Born enemies only, no? Cow and tiger, Ahinokulam, snake and mongoose. Then Hastapadav is the limbs of the body. These are the examples of Samaharaha Dvandvaha. Okay. And last is Bahuvrihihi Neelakantaha. See, this is attributive. This is attributive of or synonym of Lord Shankar. Understood, no? Neelakantaha means Neelaha Kantaha Yasya Saha. Means whose neck is having which color? Neela, blue color. Blue color is there on his neck. So he is called Neelakantaha. So Neelakantha means Lord Shankar only we say. So understood, no? So we get idea of somebody else here. Anyapad. Understood? Generally attributives we are getting. Actually these are the synonyms of somebody else, something. So it is Anyapada pradhanah. Both the words are not important here. This is the speciality of bahu vrihihi. For example, mushakavahanah is there. Then mushakaha vahanam, yasya saha. Means who has his vehicle as mouse, or mouse is his vehicle, he. Who has mouse as his vehicle? He is called Mushakavahan. So who has mouse as his vehicle? Ganpati he only. Understood, no? So Anyapad we are getting finally. This is the speciality of Bahu Vrihihi compound. Understood? So very well. See the AV again and again for the better understanding. Okay, bye.